gorgeous Chua and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're doing the Blindfold Slime Challenge. And I'm super excited for this challenge. So I'm gonna introduce you the ingredients. So we need glue, but this glue is glitter glue and it's color green. We have purple glitter glue, clear glue, blue glitter glue, glow-in-the-dark yellow, purple opaque glue, clear blue, and pink glitter glue, and activator to make a slime, lotion to make your slime stretchy, shaving cream to make your slime fluffy, beads to make your slime decorated, and bowl to put on your glue, and spoon to mix up your glue. So, further ado, let's get started. So now I'm gonna wear my blindfold. Let's get started. Need a glue. Okay, this one. So hard, yeah, there. It will hit my bowl. Guess so. I think that's okay. Where's the cover over there? Okay. I'm just gonna add 3 colors. This one. Wait. I think this is glitter glue because it's wavy and it's hard to get out. Ew. I think that's all. Wait. Go out. Just gonna there. So hard. Okay, I think that's enough. Where's there? Oh, where's my spoon? This one. I think this is the glow in the dark. I guess so, I don't know. I hope so. Okay, I'm just gonna add 3. I guess that's enough. Okay. So guys, I just added 3 colors. I think that's enough. So I'm gonna mix now. This is my spoon. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I don't know what color it is. Okay, I think that's now mixed. I'm gonna add lotion. This is activator, I guess. Oh, sorry. It's gonna put the activator over there. This is the lotion? Yeah, this is the lotion. It's gonna add I don't know how. I think that's enough. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's enough. Where's the shaving cream? Oh, this is the one. It's so hard to get off. Can you open it, please? Oh, thank you. Oh my mama! Okay, I hope it will hit in my bowl. I think this is the one because there's the little pin in there. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit. Okay, I think that's enough. Where's the cover? Never mind. I'm gonna touch it. Oh my mom. What's this? I don't care. Oh my gosh. Okay. I need the activator. Where's the activator? Oh, mama. Oh, I'm just gonna add beads. I'm just gonna add all of it. Okay. Cool. Where's the other one? Okay. Oh, that was so satisfying. Okay. Okay. No more. Okay. Gonna mix. I think it will look so good. Yeah, it's, oh my gosh, it's forming. Because I can feel it. I can feel, oh. Oh my gosh. It is pouring? I cannot feel it. I'm just gonna go in my hands more, I think. I think I added a little bit. I'm gonna add more. Okay, I think that's enough. I'm gonna put my hands later. I don't know. I'm gonna put more activator and I'm gonna go on it with my hands. Okay, that's enough, I guess. Okay, where's my spoon? Oh my gosh! It feels weird because it's slime. Oh my gosh. Ooh! Oh my gosh! It feels good. The texture, I think it's good. Ooh! You can see that. I can see it. I can feel it. I can see it. Okay. Activator. I need a lot of activator. It's falling. Okay. Just gonna add. I can feel the adding of activator. Oh, it's in my hands. Oh my gosh. This will be a very dirty slime challenge. Oh my gosh, it's dripping. It's dripping. It's dripping. Okay. Oh my gosh, that's enough, I guess. Oh my mama. So good. The texture feels so good because I added a lot of lotion, I guess, because I squeezed a lot. Ooh, it's forming! Okay, it's sticky, it's super sticky. I think the activator bottle is now filled with slime. It's really good. I'm just gonna put it in the table when it's perfect. And I'm gonna take my blindfold on later. I hope it's a nice color. I hope, because there's green and it's a bad color. It's sticky, but it's forming. Oh, oh my gosh. Okay. I think it's super stretchy. It's just super sticky. Kinda. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna put a lot more, I guess. I don't want to be overactivated. Oh my gosh, stop. It's slippery because of the slime. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the table. What's this? The lotion. Oh, just a spoon. Yeah, it's the spoon. I'm gonna put it in the side activator, a little bit there, because I'm gonna pour out my slime. Oh my gosh! How can I do this? Okay. Okay, out, please. Okay, wait. I'm having a hard time pouring this thing. Oh my mama, it's so sticky. What's that? Someone is doing something. gonna put it in there. I hope what color is this? Ooh, the texture is super duper good. Ooh, yummy sesame. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. I think that's enough. Can I put it? Where should I put it? There. Okay. Now I'm just gonna mix it more, and I'm gonna take my blindfold. Ooh, it's a good one. So guys, I think I got the slime, and I'm gonna take my blindfold in 3. Super scared. What color is this? 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh! It's a nice color. It's so nice. It looks like a. I don't know how I describe this. I think it's like toothpaste. I'm gonna take my blindfold. It looks so good. Oh, there's the shaving cream over there. Oh my gosh, look at the activator ball. It's so slimy. Okay, sorry for that. I'm just gonna add a little bit of this so that it will be huge. Oh my gosh, I think it's not activated. Okay, I like my slime because it's good texture, but it's just sticky. I'm gonna put activator in this one and here, just a little bit, just a little bit. I'm just gonna mix it. I'm gonna get it and put it there. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna put it over. Oh my gosh! Hello, snowy puff. Okay. I don't know what color that I got. Oh, here, the bottles. Got purple glitter glue, blue glitter glue, and a clear glue. So good. There. It's a little bit sticky, as you can see, and it's glittery too. Oh, it's a bubble popper. I like it. It's so good. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get some of this. It's so good. Hello there. I'm gonna make a very big popper. Bubble, I guess. What's pop? And I'm gonna put the activator at the side. There. So guys, I'm gonna move all of the things over here so that I'm gonna let you see a close-up of the slime. So let's move over there, and yeah, here's my slime. Good bubble popper. Whee! And it's good poker. I'm gonna make a very big bubble. So, yeah. Okay, wait. I like the beads. It looks so good. Oh, it was a good one. I like it. Okay. It's stretchy. It's a good poker and bubble popper. So I'm gonna make one more bubble and I'm gonna end the video. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna end the video now. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on my notification bell so that you'll be updated in my next week video. So see you next time. Goodbye.